Hello everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. No vaccine certificate, Himachal Pradesh turns away Naina Devi pilgrims. Himachal got rupees 1,892 crore for disaster management in 3 years, said Mahendra Singh. NHAI fined rupees 1.15 crore for illegal dumping of waste. India records lowest new COVID cases in 5 months. Search operation for missing pilots in Jammu and Kashmir enters 8th day. Army seeks international assistance. Prime Minister Modi for joint efforts to fight maritime threats. Delhi police detained former BJP spokesperson, 5 others in anti-Muslim slogan case. Potholes caused 3,564 accidents in India in 2020, said government in Rajya Sabha. 15 opposition parties back bill on OBC lists. Now news in detail. No vaccine certificate, Himachal Pradesh turns away Naina Devi pilgrims. A large number of devotees from various parts of Punjab who were on their way to pay obeisance at Naina Devi temple yesterday were turned away from the Himachal Pradesh border for not having RT-PCR negative report or COVID vaccination certificate. This led to chaos as the devotees demanded the removal of restrictions. They squatted on the highway and raised slogans against the Himachal government, causing a traffic jam. Following a fresh surge in cases, Himachal Pradesh recently reimposed curbs on the entry of outsiders. Probably unaware of the restriction, hundreds of devotees reached Kulanwala Toba, the entry point from Punjab, in the morning. As the Hill States Police refused entry to those not carrying either a negative report or a vaccination certificate, the crowd swelled at the checkpoint. A few devotees said the government should have announced its decision at least a fortnight ago, as several people visited the shrine on foot, a journey that had to be started days in advance. Ropar SP Ajinder Singh and Anandpur Sahib DSP Raminder Singh Kahlon coordinated with the civil administration to arrange on-the-spot testing facility to pacify the devotees. Himachal Pradesh got rupees 1,892 crore for disaster management in 3 years, said Mahendra Singh. The central government has allocated rupees 1,892.11 crore to Himachal Pradesh under the Disaster Management Fund in the past 3.5 years. Revenue Minister Mahendra Singh stated this in the Vidhan Sabha. He said that rupees 507.82 crore was given in 2018-19, rupees 743.99 crore in 2019-20 and rupees 454 crore in 2020-21. Rupees 186.30 crore till June 30 this year. The minister said that so far rupees 10.26 crore of rupees 11.02 crore allocated for a war memorial had been spent. Asked about covering all 70 lakh households in the state under the Jal Jeevan Mission, Irrigation and Public Health Minister said that this target would be achieved by August 2022. He added that the left out houses would be covered under the BRICS and Asian Development Bank schemes. NHAI fined rupees 1.15 crore for illegal dumping of waste. The Forest Department has imposed a fine of rupees 1.15 crore on the National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) for the illegal dumping of muck during the construction of a 40-kilometer long two-lane highway between Ramshila, Kullu and Manali. The construction of the road was completed about 1.5 years ago. Injal Chauhan, Divisional Forest Officer DFO Kullu, said 3 dumping sites were provided to the contractor of the NHAI Gawar Construction Limited Company, but these all were found largely vacant during the inspection, which means that the debris had been illegally dumped elsewhere. He said the NHAI had been asked about the disposal but no response was received. He said the total amount of fine compounds to rupees 1,15,60,000 as per the calculation of the area of illegal dumped debris. India records lowest new COVID cases in 5 months. India logged 28,204 new coronavirus infections, the lowest in 147 days, taking the total tally of cases to 3,90,98,158, while the active cases fell to 3,88,508, the lowest in 139 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Tuesday. The national COVID-19 recovery rate has increased to 97.45%, which is the highest ever recovery rate achieved, the ministry said. The death toll has climbed to 4,28,682 with 373 fresh fatalities, the data showed. Search operation for missing pilots in Jammu and Kashmir enters 8th day. Army seeks international assistance. The army is seeking international assistance to locate the 2 missing pilots of its helicopter that crashed into the Ranjit Sagar Dam Lake in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir last week as the search operation entered the 8th day on Tuesday, an official said. Jammu-based Army PRO Lieutenant Colonel Devendra Anand said a small area of 60 by 60 meters has been localized and special sonar equipment flown in from Kochi is being used to enable the search operation to enter their final phase. The Army statement came after the younger brother of one of the missing pilots expressed anguish at the search and rescue operation progressing at a snail's pace. Prime Minister for joint efforts to fight maritime threats. In an oblique reference to China, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday called for maritime dispute to be resolved peacefully and in accordance with international law. Speaking at one of the best attended UN Security Council debates UNSC, where other members wearing China fielded President's Prime Minister and Senior Cabinet Minister, Prime Minister Modi outlined a 5-principle framework for the first ever debate on maritime security. The session began with a moment of silence for those who died during the COVID-19 pandemic. Presiding over the debate on enhancing maritime security, a case for international cooperation, which was attended by Russian President Vladimir Putin and US Secretary of the State Antony Blinken, Prime Minister Modi said first on the agenda should be removing barriers to maritime trade by fully respecting the rights of seafarers of other countries. Delhi police detained former BJP spokesperson, 5 others in anti-Muslim slogan case. Delhi police have detained 6 people including advocate and former BJP spokesperson Ashwini Upadhyay in connection with a video showing anti-Muslim slogans being raised during a protest at Jantar Mantar, officials said on Tuesday. According to a senior police officer, the 6 people were detained from different areas of the Delhi National Capital Region. The rules are being verified in connection with the incident and further action would be taken accordingly, he said. Pothole caused 3,564 accident in India in 2020, government said in Rajya Sabha. The government on Tuesday said in Rajya Sabha that 3,564 accidents took place in India due to potholes in 2020 compared to 4,775 and 4,869 in 2019 and 2018 respectively. The road traffic movement was restricted to a large extent due to the COVID-19 lockdown in the country in 2020. The government gave the information in response to Trinamool Congress lawmaker Derek O'Brien's question on the number of road accidents due to road engineering issues, an initiative for road safety and the funds allocated for it. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hilcoast News channel. Thank you.